Justice Sri Syed Abdul Nazir was born in a small village called Kolar in the state of Karnataka, India. Justice Sri Syed Abdul Nazir was born in a small village called Kolar in the state of Karnataka, India. He completed his primary education from his hometown and went on to obtain a degree in law from Mysore University. After completing his law degree, he started practicing law and has extensive experience as a lawyer before being elevated to the bench. Justice Sri Syed Abdul Nazir is a former judge of the Supreme Court of India. He served as a judge of the Supreme Court from 2017 to 2022. Prior to his appointment to the Supreme Court, he served as a judge of the Karnataka High Court. His remarkable judgments are as follows. Justice Sri Syed Abdul Nazir has been associated with several notable judgments during his tenure as a judge of the Supreme Court of India. Some of his most remarkable judgments include 1. Shabarimala Temple case. He was part of the 5-judge bench that delivered the landmark judgment allowing women of all ages to enter the Shabarimala Temple in Kerala. 2. NRC in Assam. He was also a part of the bench that upheld the validity of the National Register of Citizens, NRC, in Assam. 3. CAA. He was part of the bench that upheld the constitutional validity of the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, passed by the Indian government in 2019. 4. LGBTQ rights. He was part of the bench that delivered the judgment decriminalizing homosexuality in India by striking down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. These are some of the most notable judgments delivered by Justice Sri Syed Abdul Nazir during his tenure as a judge of the Supreme Court of India. The Governor is the head of the executive branch of the government in the Indian states and territories. The powers and functions of the Governor are prescribed in the Constitution of India under Part 6, Chapters 3 and IV. The relevant articles of the Constitution of India regarding the Governor and his powers are: Article 153. The Governor shall be the head of the executive power of the state and shall exercise her functions in accordance with the advice of the Council of Ministers, except in matters where she is required to act in her discretion. Article 154. The Governor shall appoint the Chief Minister and on his advice, shall appoint other ministers. Article 155. The Governor shall have the power to summon or prorogue the session of the Legislative Assembly and to dissolve the Legislative Assembly. Article 156. The Governor shall have the power to appoint the Advocate General for the state. Article 163. The Governor shall have the power to appoint a commission to investigate into the administration of any department of the government of the state. These are some of the key articles in the Constitution of India that deal with the powers and functions of the Governor in the Indian states and territories.